Too much screen time and unrealistic expectations and perceptions and can lead to an increased risk of anxiety and depression. Spending time on social media has become almost a way of life for most adults. Scrolling through videos of cuddly cats and wacky dances for hours a day. But is it healthy for your children to have the same habits? And how do you know if they're being safe on social media? Is social media good or bad? Most social media apps require users to be at least 13 years old. But according to the US Surgeon General, nearly 40% of children 8 to 12 years old and 95% of children 13 to 17 years old use social media apps. In fact, the US Surgeon General released an advisory on how social media affects children and teenagers' mental health. One scary statistic: teens who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media double their risk of depression and anxiety. If your child is currently on social media or if they've been asking to join, it's important to talk to them about what social media is, what rules you have for it, and how it doesn't always show an accurate picture of someone's life. Social media makes it easy to compare oneself to another, says child psychologist Kate Eshelman, SID. Most people put on social media what they want you to see. And by using social media, all of us have the ability to access endless information anytime we want to. And that can be very hard for kids. Dr. Eshelman discusses the negative effects of social media. And if you're allowing them to use it, how to talk to your kids about how to stay safe. Not overdo it and not take a lot of what they see on there too seriously. Negative effects of social media. It can be overwhelming to think about all the negative ways your child may be affected by using social media. While experts are just beginning to understand social media's impact on children. One study shows that children younger than 11 years old who use Instagram and Snapchat are more likely to have problematic digital behaviors like having online-only friends and visiting sites parents would disapprove of, as well as a greater chance of taking part in online harassment. And it's not so easy to give up or limit your child's time on social media. According to a national survey, 33% of girls 11 to 15 years old feel addicted to social media, and more than half of teens say it would be hard to give up social media. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is real.